This is the solution to problem number 41 from homework 7.1. We're asked to use fundamental identities to simplify the expression, and we're given that sine beta tangent beta plus cosine beta. That's our expression. So I'm going to begin by trying to write everything in terms of sine and cosine. So I'm going to have sine beta. I'm going to rewrite tangent beta using the quotient identity that tangent beta is equal to sine beta over cosine beta. And then I still have plus cosine beta. The next thing I'm going to do is I need to add these two fractions. So I need a common denominator. So I can think of cosine beta as cosine beta over 1, and the common denominator is going to be cosine beta, which means I need to multiply the fraction on the right by a funny form of 1, which is cosine beta over cosine beta. Once I do that, each of these fractions has the same denominator, which is cosine beta, so I can add my fractions. So I'm going to end up with sine squared beta plus cosine squared beta all over cosine beta. And since I see sine squared beta and cosine squared beta, I'm going to think about the Pythagorean identity. And that Pythagorean identity, I'm going to write this over here on the side because it's not really part of my simplification. So I know from the Pythagorean identity that sine squared beta plus cosine squared beta is equal to 1. And I'm going to make that substitution. So sine squared beta plus cosine squared beta is 1. So this is going to become 1 over cosine beta. And then using the reciprocal identity, I know that 1 over cosine beta is secant beta.